And the second step in the ROP process in our next commandment is, thou shalt become legal father. Thou shalt become legal father. One child can have 3 different fathers at the same dang time. One child, 3 fathers, same dang time. And no, that's not a 2 Chainz song. That's a real situation. I write about how that can happen in my book, but just to save time, I'm going to tell you what the 3 types of fathers are. The first type of father is something called the biological father. The biological father. That's what the DNA test is all about. The second type of father is something called the financial father. And that's what we just did the whole little Timmy skit about. The third type of father is something called the legal father. The legal father. Now, out of all 3, legal is where you really want to be. Because legal equals right, equals say-so, equal parentage, custody. See, all those wonderful things that a good parent will want to be is all included in being legal father. But let me tell you something about legal father. Legal father ain't free. Matter of fact, none of this stuff is free. DNA test costs money. To become legal father, you might have to retain an attorney, jump through all kind of hurdles and hoops and fill out kind of documents and do all kind of stuff. Listen, I don't care what you have to pay. I don't care what you have to do. I don't care if you got to work 10 jobs. I say pay it, do it. Because let me tell you something, gentlemen. You want those rights. Oh, let me tell you again now. You want those rights. Those rights will change the game. It'll be like a new sheriff in town the day you get your right. Some guys are clueless on some of the rights that they gain once they become legal father. Let me give you some highlighted rights. The day you become legal father, you're going to have some say-so about a few things. Let me tell you what you got some say-so about the day you become legal father. Once you become legal father, you're going to have some say-so about things like the child's home. Yes, the child's home. You see, if she's got your child living in a haunted house and you're tired of calling Ghostbusters, well, you have some say-so. Next, you have some say-so about the child's school. Yes, your child's school. If she's got your child going to shoot 'em up elementary and you're tired of investing money in bulletproof vests and dodging bullets at parent-teacher night, well, you have some say-so. Next, the child's religion. Yes, even your child's religion. You see, if she's got your child worshiping daisies and you ain't too particular into worshiping daisies, you much rather your child worship petunias, well, now you got some say-so. And then finally, the child's name. Yes, the child's name. If she named your child Bubba, and you don't particularly like that name, Bubba, you don't think Bubba is an appropriate name for a little girl, now you got some say-so. These are just some of the rights that you gain once you become legal father. Literally, you have the same amount of rights as the baby mama, even if the kids are staying with the mom. I have to add that little bit in there because for some reason, guys still think that the mother gets more rights than he do for some reason. Not after you become legal father. And here's why. Listen, the courts are blind, but they're not stupid. They know that you can't cut a kid in half and half go stay with the mom and the other half stay with the dad. No, the child has to live somewhere. And just because the child has to live with someone don't mean that that person gets more rights. Now, that person might get more money, but not more rights. Get it?